Hello again. We're going to talk real quick about how to do the green screen aspect of this project, how to blend the different hues that we're having to deal with all the different chroma keys colors that we've gotten in. So again, we've made sure all of our programs are closed. We open Final Cut Pro. I'll spare you waiting on that to open. Okay, got our Final Cut Pro open, and we take our green screen footage here. And we're going to come over here to this generators icon right here, and in this case we'll just select white, a white color, and put it below this, because anything below it, anything above it, any video above something is going to be dominant, and we want Jamin to be over the white. So we've got several problems here. One is we've got this dark splotch over here to the left, your left, dark splotch over here to your right, Jamin's left. And we've also got this shadowing here and here. And then of course we got three different hues of green. So the first thing we can do is we can select the green screen video, highlight it. We come over here to transform and hit the button next to it to bring it to crop. So we crop it. Ooh, that's got the side of the thing there by accident. So we crop away unused parts of the green screen. This makes it easier for the video to do. It'll make it render a lot quicker. It'll make it more flawless when you're trying to play it back for preview mode. And plus you don't have to worry about trying to match your chroma key to this like black section over here. It just basically reduces your workload. Of course you want to make sure that you don't make it so small that when Jamin raises his hand that it just disappears. So we click done. In this case, because of the shadowing down here, it's too hard to get everything to match up. So we're going to move him down like this to just try to get away that bug. And I can make this hue right here match up. It's the shadowing that's the problem. As soon as we do away with that shadowing, it'll be a lot easier. So we come over here to the effects button here. Earlier we were on our generator button. Now we're coming over here to the effects button, and it pops up with all effects, but we just want the keying effects. There's 6 keying effects. The main one you're going to use is just called keyer. So we press and hold it, highlight it, bring it over here and let it go into our video. Once we've done that, it's got a default setting. You can see it worked pretty good, except for Jamin's arm here is still like eggshell white, whereas the rest of it's, well, it's all pretty eggshell white, but this is more eggshell white. Over here is our what's called your inspector, and it's got all the settings for your green screen, which we can hide or show. You can see we've got all the transform settings we've done, all the cropping settings we've done. And if I want to take away the green screen effects, I just unclick that button there and it's back to how it was. So to make all this match up, we just kind of start playing with it. One thing that's the easiest thing to do is you take the sample color. By taking the sample color, you're telling all the different colors that you want to eliminate. So we take our sample color and we put it, you see it does it in real time for you. I don't know how well you can see that on the screen flow. But as soon as we take that sample color and it hits that other hue of green that his arm is, it makes his arm actually turn white. So I'm playing it back and just kind of looking at it. You can see, you may not be able to see, but there's a few, like, it kind of looks like a staticky TV there. Well, we could go into detail about all these different things, but the best thing to do is just advance something and see how that affects things. See, making that bigger took away the staticky here, but it started adding this over here.
Hello.
So then we're just trying to find a median between the staticky and taking away the holes over here. It's the same deal with everything.
Hello, hello.
Spill level is a big deal. Spill level is how well the whole thing's working. If you put it to 100%, the problem is it changes the color of Jamin. It makes his shirt purple, his skin a little more tanned. So you want it to be as high as you can, stand it, and still have the color you desire. If you take it to 0, you've got the original color. but it may not play very well. In this case, it actually plays alright.
Working.
Remember too, this is preview mode, so it's not going to look as good as it does when you actually play it back. So if you're questioning how well it's going to look when you play it back, you have to actually export it. I got to plug in my computer real quick. So usually you bring this up just about where the color is, just where you can't stand it, and then you bring it a notch lower.
Working. So, on the
And that's about it. The main thing is just getting the lighting set so that you don't have to deal with so many different shades of not only green or hues of greens, but also all the different shades of black. So that's it, and enjoy.